Hello students, here's a quick video on how to play the easy piano part for Dakota by Stereophonics in G major. Now throughout this entire song, we're going to keep our hand in this position here, okay, with our thumb on C, 2 on D, 3 on E, 4 on F, and then 5 on G. Now we've got 4 different parts to learn. We've got the intro, the verse, the chorus, and also the bridge. So let's jump into it. So in the intro, the first 8 bars is going to be guitar and the main keys. And then after those 8 bars, we come in with the intro section where it says intro all in. Now in that section, we're going to be playing G with our 5th finger, and we're going to be playing them as quarter notes 8 times, okay? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? And then we go down to E with our 3rd finger here, and again we play that 8 times. And then we're going to go down to C with our thumb here, finger number 1, and play that 8 times. And then back up to G with our 5th finger, another 8 times. Okay, so that's our intro all in. Okay, so 8 times on the G, 8 times on the E, 8 times on the C, and then back to 8 times on the G again. So in the verse, we're going to be using the same 4-note progression, the G, the E, the C, and then back to G. But this time, instead of playing them for 8 beats, we're going to hold them for 8 beats, okay? So we're going to be playing G for 8 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then to E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back to G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the same 4-note order that we did in the intro, just instead of doing quarter notes, we're holding them for 8 beats. Now into the chorus section, this is where we're changing that note order. This time we're just going to be playing C with our 1st finger here, and we're going to be playing that 16 times. Now we're back to that quarter note pattern where we're just playing those single beats, okay? In the verse we were holding them, now we're going back to playing those quarter note beats. So we're going to be playing C 16 times. I tend to think of it as 2 sets of 8, find it easy to count, or you can count to 16, it's up to you. As long as you're keeping that nice single beats. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to go up to G with our 5th finger and then play that 16 times or 2 sets of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so that's the chorus, okay? Just C 16 times and then G 16 times. Now moving on to the bridge section now. Now the bridge section, we're going to continue with this quarter note pulse that we've been playing. And now the pattern is, we're going to be playing G 8 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to go down to a D, which we've not played yet, with our 2nd finger here. And we're going to play that 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then thumb goes to middle C, and we're going to be playing that 16 times, or again, 2 sets of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the whole bridge is like this. We're going on G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then C. And again, another 8. And that's it, okay? So that's the bridge section. 8 on the G, 8 on the D, and then 16 on the C. And that is all the sections. The verses and choruses are the same each time. The only new bit that we've got is the bridge 2 and outro, but that is exactly the same as the first bridge that we played previously. And then the last 18 bars are just keys, the main keys and guitar, playing the outro. So now I'm going to do a full playthrough of the entire song from start to finish at a nice steady pace so you can play along at home. I'm going to skip the first 8 bars that the main keys and guitar are playing. I'm going to come straight in on the intro all in where we're playing that G, okay? So on straight in, intro all in, with the G, okay? So nice and steady all the way through. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and G. And now to E. And now to C. And back to G. Okay, head into the verse, hold the notes, ready, and G. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now to E. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And back to C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And up to G. 2, 3, 4. And now we repeat, ready, go, and G again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now to E. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now to C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And back to G. 2, 3, 4. Into the chorus. Ready, go. Now C. 3, 4, 5, 6. And now to G. Ready, and G. Ready, repeat. 1, 2, and back to C. 1. Okay, and back to G. Ready, go, G. Okay, into verse 2. Hold G. Ready, and G. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And down to E. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now to C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And back to G. 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Ready, now go. G. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now to E. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now to C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And back to G. Okay, for the chorus 2 in 1, 2, on to C. 2, 3. And now back to G, go, G. Okay, repeat. 1, 2, and now to C. Now to G, go. Okay, into the bridge, ready? 1, 2, 3, and G. And down to D. Now to C. Okay. Repeat, back to G. 1, 2, 3, and G. Down to D. And now to C. Okay, verse 3. Hold G. 1, 2, 3, and G. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now to E. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And down to C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And back to G. 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Ready, go, and G. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now to E. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now to C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And back to G. Okay, ready for chorus 3. 1, 2, and on to C. Up to G. 1, 2, 3, and G. Ready to repeat? Here we go. Back to C. 1, 2, 3, and G. C. Sorry. C. Back to G. 1, 2, 3, and G. Into bridge 2 and outro. 1, 2, 3 on G. 2, 3, 4. And now to D. And down to C. And again. Okay, repeat. Here we go. Back to G and G. Down to D. And now to C. Keep going. 2 more times. Back to G. Ready and G. And down to D. And now to C. Okay, last repeat coming up. Ready? Back to G. 2, 3, and G. And down to D. And now to C. Okay, ready to stop? 2, 1, 2, 3, and stop. And then the last 18 bars of the main keys and guitar playing the outro.